If you have hooded eyes, stop trying to do your winged eyeliner like this. Instead, try to accentuate it by creating a faux large wing that fades into your lid, creating a beautiful ombre. I can't wait to show you how, so without further delay, let's begin. Starting with my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 4.5. This is my favorite brow pencil. First, working on the top portion of my brows to fill in all the sparse areas and shape it up before I use the spoolie in the back to brush my brow hair upwards so I can clearly see at the bottom and fill it in. Using the Milani concealer in the shade 145, I'm going to even out my skin tone all the way from my lash line up to my brow bone. And then using the Makeup Forever HD Skin Finishing Powder, I'm going to lightly set my lids to avoid creasing. For today's look, I'm going to draw my liner as an extension of my lower lash line, and then I'm going to join it to the fold of my hood, creating a beautiful wing. And for this, I'm going to be using the KVD Tattoo Liner. Using a piece of cardboard as a stencil, I'm going to trace the outer wing, and then I'm going to extend the fold of my hood to create that wing in the outer corner, later joining it to my lash line. I'm going to fill in that wing, and as you can see, it looks pretty clean and does not interfere with the fold of the hood. Next, I'm going to be using the LH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This is called Aim Higher, a brand new one. I'm going to start with the black eyeshadow called Crux with a small fluffy brush. Ever so lightly, I'm going to start softening the inner edge of the wing and shade it towards the lid, creating a soft, smoky look. While shading, make sure most of the eyeshadow is concentrated closer to the wing, and then use the residue to melt it off into the lid. As you can see, we've still maintained that sharp outer corner, and it's not interfering with the fold of the hood because we worked along the fold of the hood, and that wing looks absolutely stunning. Next, I'm dipping into this gorgeous shimmer called Smear, and I'm going to apply it over the black eyeshadow that I used on the lid, creating a soft shimmery finish. For my lower lash line, I'm first dipping into the black eyeshadow with a small angled brush, and I'm going to stamp it closer to my lash line in the outer half, fading it as it moves towards the inner corner. And then I'm dipping into the gorgeous shimmer called Smear, and I'm going to apply it all over the black eyeshadow. That gives a beautiful sparkly effect and looks absolutely stunning. Using the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist pencil in black, I'm going to line just the outer third of my top as well as bottom waterlines, later softening the line edges. To finish up, I'm going to curl my lashes before I apply mascara. I'm going to be using the Benefit Bad Girl Bang. This is still to date one of my favorite mascaras. I especially love the wand of this mascara. It's so easy to apply both in top as well as bottom lashes without smudging, and it provides so much length and volume. Here's the finished eye look, but hang in there because I'm going to pair it with a beautiful lipstick. But how stunning is this? It looks exotic because it doesn't interfere with the fold of the hood. It doesn't look distorted. In fact, we're working along the hood and we're making best use of what we have, and it looks absolutely stunning. I'm going to pair this look with a beautiful lipstick. This is the Lip Blur by Say in the shade Modern. But before that, I'm going to line my lips with a neutral brow pencil because I like the micro tip, and I'm going to include all of these products in the description box right below this video, so do check that out. And then I'm going to fill in my lips with the lipstick. And here's the finished look. Would love to hear your thoughts, so comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.